Nature's Abode by Aura Architects is a remarkable residence designed for an Indian family. Located in Haryana, India, a place of extreme temperatures and dry weather conditions, this house and the architect shows its creativity, adaptability, and resilience to the local environment. The name Nature's Abode stems from the concept of blending rustic aesthetics with the beauty of nature. The design incorporates a concept called natural brise soleil, where numerous openings are filled with plants to mitigate heat gain, creating a sustainable and eco-friendly environment. Carefully chosen greenery, including the revered Rudraksha tree and money plants, further enhances the Indian culture and adds to the overall ambience. Starting with the exterior, the south-facing front facade is adorned with a captivating green wall system, complemented by built-in concrete planters. This unique feature not only adds visual appeal but also integrates the residence seamlessly with its natural surroundings. The choice of materials, particularly concrete, allows the structure to evolve over time, blending in with the ever-living and growing greens, creating a house that also grows together over time. Moving inside, the interior of Nature's Abode offers a spacious and open floor plan. The ground floor is thoughtfully divided into different areas, including a welcoming foyer, a double-height living area, 2 bedrooms, and an open kitchen with an adjacent dining area. The design of the house embraces openness, promoting cross-ventilation throughout the structure. An open-to-skylight well, a centrally placed puja ghar, a wooden temple, and a lush green backyard further enhance the living experience, providing a serene and refreshing atmosphere. The first floor of Nature's Abode features a lobby, a generous seating area beside the light well, 2 additional bedrooms, and a common area leading to a small terrace adorned with concrete planters and seating. This thoughtful design allows for ample space for relaxation and socializing. The transition from the first floor to the big terrace extends the living area, providing an ideal space to enjoy the outdoors. The materials used in Nature's Abode emphasize the honesty of textures and raw beauty. Concrete, steel, clay, and wood form the foundation, while accents of blue, gray, and white add a touch of sophistication. Glass fenestrations are strategically placed to bring in ample natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting and minimizing power consumption. In conclusion, Nature's Abode stands as a testament to the remarkable integration of aesthetics and functionality. Its design allows for an interactive and harmonious living experience, promoting cross-ventilation, natural light, and a connection with nature. This architectural masterpiece not only provides a sanctuary for the family but also sets an example for sustainable and thoughtful residential design. Nature's Abode truly embodies the essence of a modern-day residence, where rustic charm meets contemporary elegance, creating a home that is both timeless and captivating. We will now look at the site drawings. Feel free to pause for more details. Thanks for staying till the end. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content.